V, and today I'm here with a natural hair tutorial. So today I'm here just to do a quick, easy natural hairstyle for y'all. I only have a limited amount of flexi rods. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 flexi rods, and I gotta make it work. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do like a half up, half down with 2 pieces in the front Flexi Rod Set. So if you want to see this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you smash that like button below, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull the pieces out. I'm gonna leave out in the front. I do want to leave out a lot of, not a lot, but like I want pieces to be kind of thick in the front. So yeah, like that. I'm just gonna twist it together so it'll stay out of the way. So as you can see, I'm starting out with blow dry hair. I had to go through and blow dry just so I can clip my ends a little bit. I didn't clip them a lot all the way, but I clipped them, you know, what they had to be clipped. It was real bad. So I am starting out with blow dry hair. You don't have to start out with blow dry hair. You can start out with wet hair, but you know, it's up to you. So I'm gonna use Shine Jam, which I really like this one in the yellow bottle, and my bed head spray just to put my ponytail at the top. Both of these will be linked below if you don't have them already, but I think they're pretty standard products most people have.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Take my Shine Jam and put it right on my edges.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
You see how slick it gets it without making it curly? Like, that's why I like Shine Jam, because it doesn't curl my hair back up, and I need it to be silky. So for my 2 pieces in the front, I'm just going to twist them. So I'm going to take my Creme Argan Oil Shining Style Foaming Mousse just to give it some wetness so I can twist them. And this is a brand new bottle, so now you got to pump it. Okay, so let's scrap this. I said I was going to twist these, but actually I should have enough flexi rods to flexi rod these 2 at the front. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit more mousse just to wet it some more. And the way you want to do it is you want to grab the ends and you want to tuck the end underneath. If you need a little more wetness on it, you can grab some mousse and lay it down and tuck that loose end under the hair, and you just want to twist it going up like. And then when you get to the top, you just want to snap the top and snap the bottom.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
it's gonna come out pretty good. I'm not totally saturating my hair. I think I wet the top two a little too much. So I'm putting a little less product on the back. So we're gonna see how that turn out. But y'all know, that's why we're here to try things. I try it so you know what to do when you try it.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Okay, I got all the Flexi Rods in. Remember, it's only 10 Flexi Rods. And before I go and come back at the end, come back when it's dry, I did feel like I put too much product on the top two. So I'm scared that they're gonna come out kind of different than the back. I feel like I really got the hang of it in the back, but the top might be a little weird. But we're gonna see what it's looking like when it's dry. Let me show y'all what it look like all the way around.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
So yeah, I'm gonna tie this up and I'm gonna let this sit. I might sit in the dryer for a while, but I'm definitely not coming back until at least 24 hours. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just doing this for y'all so y'all can see how to do this style, see if this style even works, and I'll see y'all when we get the results, girls. I'm kind of worried, but I mean, you got nothing to lose. So hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm here to take my hair down. So I have this oil. It's just silicone and serum. It's the only oil I can find. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna hope that my hair comes out good, because you know what, I'm not worried, but I'm kind of worried. All right, so let's try to see how these Flexi Rods came out. So start in the back, just open them and then unravel them the same way you put them in. Okay, you know, my curl look kind of okay. It definitely still has a lot of texture. Next time I'm gonna go buy some more. Actually, I might go today and buy some more Flexi Rods so I can have more to work with next time, because the more you use, I feel like the more you use, like the better your curls will come out. But the ends look like they're gonna be fire. Like, I wish all of them look like these front ones. Like, this is the size hair I need to use for all of it. Okay, so now I'm about to put some oil in my hands and we're gonna separate them. I'm probably gonna try to separate as many pieces as I can into one piece, just so I can have volume. So ooh. Oh girl, yes. You see the volume, baby? The volume. Put a little more oil and work on the other side. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo. My hair. Yo, I'm shook. Woo! Yeah, I'm shook. I'm pretty sure I have like a line in the middle of my head from when it was, that's where it was split in the middle, but I need to go and pick it, but I don't even want to mess with it because it looks so good. Wow. All right, let me fix my edges. But you can't even see them. But let me fix my edges real quick. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I am actually shook in my hair right now. Like 10 FLEXIRODS. 4 in the back, 2 at the top. No, 8 FLEXIRODS. 4 in the back, 2 in the ponytail, 2 up here. And yo, look at the volume. Y'all gotta try this style. Only a product I use, one product. I only used one product, which was the Argon oil foam. Now I gotta try some different foam because this foam worked this good. Yo, my hair was really moisturized when I did it, so make sure you use a really good leave-in conditioner. Combined with this, boom. Foolproof, like. Yo, the curls though, like the curls are everything. Give me a hand clap out there. Everybody give me a hand clap for this style because I was really thought that the top was gonna come out weird because I felt like I used way too much mousse. But I don't think you can use too much if your hair is dry. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you write in the comments if you want to see me do it on wet hair. I'm kind of interested to see how good it comes out on wet hair or how good it comes out if I used more FLEXIRODS because I only had 8, but I made it work. So if you want to see me do this again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, make sure you smash that subscribe button because you made it to the end. And girl, I'll see you in the next one. And let me know if you actually try this style. Like, send it to me in my DMs on Instagram, @JulieShaV. Send me a picture of your hair if you try this. Because, girl, like, what? What? Bye, y'all. See y'all in the next one.
Ryan Little.